Okay, let's begin. In 1236, Sultan Iltutmish's daughter Razia became Sultan. Sultan now, see here, not Sultana, Sultan means like man she was ruling over Delhi. So if you go to the history of Razia Sultana, you see that she was having all the capabilities of a ruler, all the characteristics and the qualities his father Iltutmish had observed in her. Because it is not that his father means he was not having son to rule. Why daughter has been given the responsibility to rule? The reason behind the son were not able. His first son, his name was Nasruddin Mahmud. I'm telling you because I know the history. So means Nasruddin Mahmud, he was not, you can say he died in between. That's why another son, his name was Rukuddin Firoz. So he was not a good person, always an addict, and did not feel any responsibility. He was not able to be a ruler. So Razia was having all the qualities in her. So his father selected her as a ruler. So because he saw the qualities that she can be the ruler. So that's why Razia became Sultan. Because we are discussing Delhi Sultan. Sultan means here the rulers. The chronicle, the chronicle, the chronicle of the sorry, the Ace Mina Shiraz recognized that she was more able and qualified than all her brothers, but she was not comfortable at having the queen as a ruler. Means she could be the queen, but she was feeling better when she was a ruler as a man. So nor be the nobles happy at her attempts to rule independently, and she was removed for a throne in 1240s. The story is longer behind this. If we see the prospect, why she removed from the seat, because we know that in Muslim community the women are not given much liberty to come up. Like it is believed in Muslim community that women should live in parda. You can understand, veil system, burqa they had to wear. And after that, when she was ruling, so she you can say changed her dress style means like she start wearing coat and cap. The main features, basically, because she left to wear parda, and she start wearing that. And after that, whatever the enemies in the kingdom presented at that time, she took certain strong policies against them, and she made good promises to the people, and basically safety and security, so people start liking her. But some of the section, generally the opposition, the people who did not like that, the men especially, that they should be ruled by the women. The reason behind that, the people, the ulemas, or you can say the amirs of the you can say kingdom, they did not like that a lady should rule over them. So main reasons were behind that. Firstly, she was removed by some amirs, or she, you can say, different conspiracies took against her. So some because history is very long, if we go into the deep, like the ruling period, you see that 4 years she ruled only. In 4 years she faced lots of problem. But after that, it is said she is the one of the first women in the history and the last women in the Mughal history, or Muslim, you can say Delhi Sultan she became. So now let's see what it is said in Minaz Shiraz. Uh, thought about Razia, what it is said, Minaz Shiraz thought that Queen's rule went against of the ideal social order created by God. in which women were supposed to be subordinate of men. Remember what I was you telling about. Means it is written that in their holy books that men should rule the women and women should is the subordinate of men only. Means she should live under them. In register of God's creation, sincere account did not fall under the column of men. How did she gain from all the excellent qualities? In the other inscriptions, coin of Razia, that is in your book it is given. By mistake I could not take the proper picture, so I read from the books, you can read from your books. So in register God creation says account not fall under the column of man, and she had gained from all the other excellence qualities. On the inscription of coin, Razia mentioned that she was the daughter of Sultan Iltutmish. This was the contrast of the queen Rudramana Devi in 1216 to 89 of Kakatiya dynasty of Warangal. So apart modern Andhra Pradesh, Rudrama Devi changed her name on the inscription and presented she was a man. Means it had happened in South Indian history. The Rudrama Devi, she was a lady, but when she minted the coin, on the coin the name she was presented herself like a man. Another queen, that is Dida, ruled in Kashmir 980 and 1003 year you can say time period, and her title is interesting, like it comes old Didi or elder sister, and obviously affectionate term given to loved ruler by her subjects. Subjects means the people of the kingdom. So these two references also have been found in between the contemporary period of history. So till here we will discuss. Next, tomorrow we'll take another point of Delhi, because Delhi Sultanate or Sultan of Delhi we are discussing. Okay, take reading the chapter, and whatever the important terms are coming in the chapter like birthright, gender distincts, and after that on the other page hinterland, garrison town, so these and client, these all the terms you will do in your history copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.